Hello and welcome to the 15th video of our series, English for Absolute Beginners. How to speak English in 30 days. In this video, we will learn how to use conditional sentences in English. Conditional sentences are used to talk about possible or imaginary situations and their results. For example, if I win the lottery, I will buy a new car. Means that there is a possibility that I will win the lottery and then I will buy a new car. There are four main types of conditional sentences in English. Zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. Let's see how they are used in different situations. Zero conditional. We use the zero conditional to talk about general truths or facts that are always true. For example, if you heat water, it boils. This sentence means that it is a fact that water boils when you heat it. To form the zero conditional, we use if plus present simple, present simple. Here are a few more examples. If you touch fire, you get burned. If it rains, the grass gets wet. If you mix red and blue, you get purple. In all these examples, the condition and the result are always true and always happen in the same way. Remember, the zero conditional is great for talking about scientific facts, general truths, and habits. It's a simple structure, but it's very useful in everyday conversations. For example, if you heat water, it boils. Scientific fact. Which is, if you touch fire, you get burned. General truth. If it rains, the grass gets wet. General truth. Now, let's move on to the next type of conditional sentence, which is first conditional, use. The first conditional is used to talk about real and possible situations in the future. Structure. If plus present simple, will plus base verb. Examples. If it rains tomorrow, we will cancel the picnic. Possible future event. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. Possible future outcome. If I see her, I will tell her the news. Possible future action. Second conditional. Use. The second conditional is used to talk about hypothetical or unreal situations in the present or future. It often expresses dreams, wishes, or unlikely events. Structure. If plus past simple, would plus base verb. Examples. If I won the lottery, I would buy a new house. Unreal hypothetical situation. If I were you, I would take that job. Advice in a hypothetical situation. If he had more time, he would travel the world. Unreal situation in the present. Third conditional. Use. The third conditional is used to talk about unreal situations in the past. It describes a situation that did not happen and its imagined result. Structure. If plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. Examples. If I had known about the meeting, I would have attended. Unreal past event and its result. If she had studied harder, she would have passed the exam. Unreal past situation. If they had left earlier, they would have caught the train. Imagined result of an unreal past event. Keep practicing these conditionals in your daily conversations to become more fluent and confident in English. Thank you for watching this video in our series. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Your support and feedback are invaluable to us. So please like this video, share it with others who might benefit, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest lessons. Thank you again and see you in the next video.